Designed for precision, efficiency, and sustainability, the Zentner Aquatec Auto Developer streamlines screen development, ensuring consistent high-quality results every time. The Aquatec GE features a closed stainless steel processing chamber with a shutter door and backlit wall, creating an environment built for accuracy and ease of use. By automating the developing process, this system eliminates manual variables, speeds up production, and enhances reproducibility, all while minimizing environmental impact. At the heart of the Aquatec's innovation is its touch-free developing system, powered by dual oscillating spray bars. These bars alternate between recycled and freshwater rinses, ensuring screens are developed without abrasion. With programmable settings for water pressure, washout cycles, and stroke length, the Aquatec is adaptable to various frame sizes and screen types. The integrated closed-loop water system is a standout feature, reclaiming used water through advanced filtration and buffer tanks. This process reduces fresh water consumption by up to 80%, making the Aquatec an eco-friendly choice for any screen room. The filtration system, located in the rear, captures particles, ensuring the recycled water remains clean and effective. The Aquatec can process 2 screens with consistent professional results in under 2 minutes. Each screen is thoroughly developed and ready for use every time. Inside, the stainless steel construction ensures durability and ease of maintenance, with no need for greasing or oiling. The Zentner Aquatec is more than just a machine, it's an investment in productivity and sustainability. Whether you're aiming to reduce manual labor, save water, or achieve perfect screen results, the Aquatec delivers.